Hey, what up? It's me, Nikki. Before this video gets started, I need you to do two things for me. One, hit that subscribe button. Two, hit that post notification bell so you can be updated on all our new posts. If you guys have seen in my recent vlog, I am sick, but I decided to bring you this mukbang. Anyways, I hope you guys like the new mukbang area. This will be switched up, but this is just it for now. I hope you guys like it. But today we are having some Dominican food. We have some rice and beans, some sweet plantain, some fried pork, some papelitos, and this is a stuffed potato. And I got my lime, and I got my drink. This is an orange soda, and my Halloween mug because it is a vlogoween, vlog October, vlogtober, whatever you want to call it. Babes over here behind the camera eating. Baby girls right here eating. Babe, you want to say hi? Or you can just say hi from right there.
Hi.
I got my taste back a little bit, so. Is it good, babe? I hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday. We are, kinda, sorta. I'm sick as a dog, but the grind don't stop.
You have food. Don't be greedy.
She might want more chicken. If I sniffle a lot, I apologize. How's your chicken?
Really good. It's good. Hence why they ain't no talking. A little sweet plantain. I hope you guys like this new setup for the mukbangs. Me and Babe figured this will be better so you guys can see the food better. The back is better than seeing the closet door. I try to improve the quality every video I do. I'm probably gonna put a pumpkin right here, or a YouTube pillow right there. Y'all tell me. I am so glad I can taste right now. Because I thought I was going to order this and not be able to taste anything. This is like a fried stuffed potato. Oh, and if you hear noise, we have the AC on. Even though I'm sick, it was too hot in here. We have it on fan though. Look at that.
Don't mind my nails. I have to get them done, but like I said, I've been sick. I wish I had more lime. I should have asked for extra lime. My hubby bought this for me. It's iridescent skull. I have another one that's two-tone that my son bought me a few years ago. I'm starving. I'm probably not even gonna eat a lot, so I don't want to make myself sick. Baby girl's falling asleep in her high chair. Like I said, I'm really, really sick. But the grind don't stop here. Fork's really good, but it's scratching on my throat. What are you guys planning to have for lunch today? If you had lunch, what did you have? What is your favorite cuisine of food? Mine, I love Italian food. Like, I think I was Italian in my past life. I love Italian food. What's yours, babe?
I'm enjoying this. Really
Dominican
well.
food. There was a place by my old house. Oh my god, that food was so bomb. Like, you could get a huge plate of food for like $5. Like this size plate, even bigger for $5. This right here, this was $13.99. Just this, not including this. So, do I want to go back where I used to live for the price? Heck yeah. And this food's good, but the other food's better and worth your money. That's $5. You get more food than this. It tastes so much better. This is $13.99, y'all. These were 3. These are 2. And their drinks were like $4, $5. So we already had drinks at home, so I wasn't getting a drink. And I think
Babe's plate was $14.99. He has half a rotisserie chicken, french fries, and rice and beef. My cat is shedding, and I got cat hair on my shirt, which I'm mad about. And every time I reach for food, I get cat hair like stuck on my hands and stuff. It's so gross. My cats ain't allowed on the furniture, on the beds, or anything. I think when I was doing my makeup, my cat decided to lay on this shirt before I started filming. Thank you, Jimmy. She fell asleep, babe. Babe said she woke up like every hour after 4 a.m. Yo, I was knocked out. I didn't hear anything. That's how sick I am. And I have a fever. I think I might have a touch of the flu or pneumonia. Even though I feel like crap, I feel a little better than yesterday because my sister bought me emergency. So I'm about to take that again. I really don't want to go to the hospital, y'all. I scheduled to get a flu shot and then I got sick. These are so good. What's wrong, babe? Want to taste this?
I'm trying to let my food go down.
It's potato, hamburger, onions, pepper, and like seasonings. So bomb. I don't know what you call it though. Did you get sweet plantain on your plate? No, you got the french fries instead. You guys, I'm full. I don't feel like overstuffing myself. Eat a little more.
Alex ate half his food yesterday.
I know. He told me that. What, his dinner or his lunch?
Dinner.
Because he'd be so busy gaming. I haven't had my appetite, and now I'm shoveling it in because I can taste right now. Get it in now, and my taste goes again. Excuse me. You know what is so funny? I've been watching a lot of burping videos thanks to my girl Eat with Darn. Her burping videos are crazy. I love them. I didn't think I would. It's so crazy how people can enjoy that. I used to think that until I started enjoying it. It's crazy how people can burp on command and everything and do the alphabet and say sentences and stuff like that. Baby having some major burps over here sometimes. My burps are big. Ooh, baby burps. Unless I drink Coke. Well, now I got hiccups. I think I'm done, y'all.
that is the end of this mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I didn't eat much, but I am still sick. If you're not already a member of our YouTube family, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that post notification bell so you can be updated on all our new posts. Also check our description box down below for our merch. Also grab yourself the coldest water bottle using our affiliated link. I don't have her in the shot today because we wanted to use Miss Cisco. Also leave comments down below to see what you would like to see next in the next mukbang or any challenges that you have for us. And we will see you in the next one.